That is the culprit right there, the lower control arm. Well, good day everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer thing. Rob here, and before we get any further, don't forget to hit the notification and the subscription. This way you'll always be up to date on everything that we do. So today, no, it's not about motorcycles, but I am experiencing a small little snag with my absolutely gorgeous, beautiful Acura MDX A-Spec. There's a couple of forums out there and a couple of people are complaining in regards to a squeaking noise that happens out in the front area, the front wheel area, whether if it's passenger side or the driver side. And I just kind of wanted to give you like a little rundown as to what it is and what you have to do to correct it. All right, so to give you a bit of perspective in regards to what is happening in regards to the squeak noise, if you want to call it, up in the front end of the vehicle. It could happen on both sides. It could happen on the passenger side or on the driver side. It was exactly the lower control arm bushings. So for the Acura MDX and a couple of other ones out there, TLX, RDX and all that, they have a lower control arm assembly, and in that assembly there are 3 inserted bushings that are held in with big rubber pucks and then the collars and all that. Downside is you cannot replace just the bushings. You actually have to replace the whole lower control arm. On the plus side of it is, for the most part, Honda or Acura have a very good warranty system, and hopefully it occurs to you just before or while you're in the warranty or before it expires. That's what I'm experiencing right now. So I'm almost coming up to the end of my warranty, and over the past couple of weeks or the month now, I've discovered that there's that god-awful squeaky noise like a mouse being squished on the front end every time I go over a pothole, if I go over a speed bump, if I go over any kind of rough road, any kind of deflection of the suspension is causing this squeak. Now, I thought at first it was just, some of the rubbers were kind of getting dry. So I went around and I lubricated everything. Unfortunately, that does not work. So don't waste your time on that. You can do it as much as you want. It's not going to go away. You can get it wet or lubed or whatever, greased up. That squeak will always remain there. It actually has to be replaced. From what I was told from the Acura technicians, it is not a safety feature. You're in no apparent danger, but it does need to be replaced. So not only is it just more of an annoyance because it sounds like you're squishing animals every time you're hitting a bump, but yeah, it does become a pain in the butt because people kind of look at you as you're driving by, and summertime everybody's got their windows down and stuff like that. It makes noise. So there's 2 ways you can identify this noise, and that is mostly when it's kind of going slow, just because you have more sound that's apparent when you're going slow, but it's either by steering your steering wheel when you're stopped or going at a slow pace or going over a speed bump. So I have 2 right now. I'm gonna get you to listen in the car, and then I'm going to put the camera outside of the car, so then you can also again hear a good quality sound as to what it is, and then it will kind of give you a good definite answer into what direction you need to take in order to get that rectified, right? So here's the steering part. Right, so basically sounds like an old seesaw, an old swing, right? So now I'm going to go over a speed bump. Ready? Right, back up, go forward, right, try and do it slowly, and then go forward slowly, right. Now I'll put you outside. All right, so now I've got you connected on the outside. So we're going to do first, we're going to do the steering motion, and then we're going to kind of go over the speed bump again. So it is the lower control arm on the both sides, but on the right hand side, passenger side, is definitely more prominent. All right, so let's check it out. So anyways, there you have it, right? So again, it is the lower control arms, right? So on both sides, that are the ones that are the culprits to make this noise. But other than that, the MDX is absolutely fantastic. And again, thanks to the good warranty from Acura, I don't see that there's going to be an issue getting it warranted. We do got the parts on order now. Mind you, the parts are on order, and they've been on order for almost a month now. And I've still yet to get the ETA as to when we are expecting to get them, because I still don't have an ETA. So that means is either, well, they're out of stock, they're on back order, but that means also it's either a high demand, so they do know, and they're very easily identifiable as to what it is. But technicians, they identified it very quickly. So it's either it's a common problem, so stock is very limited because there's just high demand, or it's not a problem and they just don't stock as much because it's very few. So anyways, hopefully this does help you guys out, at least identifying what the issue may be. So I've got just under 80,000 kilometers on this, and this is the 2022 MDX A-Spec. So that is my only hiccup that I've had with this car, is just that. But other than that, absolutely love it. It's perfect, it's fun, it's just a fun drive. So hopefully this helps you guys, and till next time, all right, be safe, take care, be good, don't forget, bikers out there, keep it covered. All right.